SABC News reporter Ofentse Setimo was in court when this incident happened.
There is a hive of activity here at the Benoni Magistrate's Court as Ntokozo Zikhali just made a brief appearance. But pandemonium broke out as one of the parents actually tried to charge at the accused inside court, resulting in the court saying they're going to hear the matter on camera. Well, what I can tell you is that Zikhali faces charges of kidnapping, rape, murder, defeating the administration of justice, and violation of a corpse. We know that the young lady, Bokgabo Poo, actually disappeared on Monday, and her mutilated body was found on Tuesday, and the family was actually called in to come and identify her remains after the suspect was actually arrested sometime on Friday. But actually right now outside court there's a hive of activity as concerned residents and community members are out here, venting their outrage that is actually palpable. As when we got here they were actually singing songs and actually saying that justice should actually be served for Bokgabo. Well, I'm actually joined by one of the guys who says he's a patroller in the particular area. My brother, awusichazele vele ukuthi wena uboneni vele njengepatroller?
What I've saw, I'd like to speak on the behalf of the community of Wattville. We are so attached what happened to Bokgabo. Today we are still fighting as much as we see our own communities are here to support us what happened, because we are still fighting with people opposing women and child abuse, and also as much as we're fighting against gender-based violence. So what happened actually when we went there in Tal Park, we did find the remains of the Bokgabo, the young 4 years old daughter. It's so painful, and we are still attached up until today. So that is why now we as the community, we are here in Benoni Magistrate Court. We are here to second the family of Bokgabo.
Yes, and just as a person who's actually trying to ensure safety in the community by patrolling there, how are the police actually making sure that there is safety, especially for the vulnerable women, children, and people with disabilities?
What I'll say, police are not working. They are not working. Especially Eastrand police station, they are not working. When you go to police station now, you'll find that they will tell you that their vehicles, they are not available into the community, whereby they are the one who's supposed to protect our young children. Today, we as the community, we are even afraid to take our child, to take our own children to the park to go and play. Hence, we knew very well that we've got South African police services, which is Eastrand, that is not working.
I'm also going to try and get someone else to actually speak on this particular matter. Baba, njengo sanko vele protect umphakathi vele. Wena, what do you have to say? I'll hold the mic for you.
Okay. Igama nguBusumuzi Maphosa ngirepresenta isanko endaweni yokuhlala eWattville. Engakuphawula ukuthi the law is failing us, and we know exactly that this guy, he might get free. But what we want to know about this law that we are having here in South Africa is that the guy that they have apprehended, he is not alone in this situation. The families, the other agencies that are working together will wish to hear that the police, they must go and find out from the mother and the other people who are also close to this incident. And we want to make it a point that we want to see the law. This is a test for our court here in Benoni, whether they are working or not. I thank you.
Thank you very much. And then when I see Sister Lostazele, as a lady, as a woman, how do you feel about what transpired?
Firstly, bengizothanda ukubulisa kini nonke, being umamkhulu umntwana and being the family representative from iside la mama umntwana, I'm kind of mixed emotions. Because firstly, I feel as if the justice system, as Ubaba has spoken, is failing us. Already the guy has been arrested, yes, but what I do not understand is how does he get a lawyer to speak for him, and a paid lawyer, Nokhal? Who is the lawyer paid by? That's our main question now. And we want the other suspects, the other agencies he's working with, to be arrested. He must just be questioned and come clean. Because it's so unfortunate. I speak for my family. Ke leng Mamkhulu wa Bokgabo. Re godile re tshameka ko park. We've never come across this incident. Why now? Why today? Nogal by a person who claims he has a child. Letswalo le kae? Pelo e kae? Wa understand? I do not. I ke so le hantata ngwana a retaliateile because I also personally I felt gore le nna nka jumpa ke mtshware with the emotions I'm feeling right now gore o reng ka family yaka o reng ka ngwana ko gae whom right now o ko tseleng ya gae we lo identify setopo sa ngwana so nje this is a total nightmare for us really family. We are in total distraught.
Thank you very much. Well, as you heard, the family is saying is completely distraught. And what I can also mention is that the magistrate mentioned in court that this is a Schedule 6 offense, and should the accused be found guilty, he will be serving a life sentence. The matter has been postponed to the 24th of October when it will be heard in camera after this particular incident that happened where one of the family members actually tried to charge at the accused inside court. And with that, is back to studio.